My name is Ridhima and I extend a warm welcome to each one of you to this virtual stage, or should I call this virtual world? This amazing confluence which recognizes, celebrates and amplifies the spirit of leadership. Folks, Martin Luther King once said, "A genuine leader is not a searcher for consensus, but a molder of consensus." John C. Maxwell has further reinstated this fact by stating that a leader is someone who knows the way, goes the way, and most importantly, shows the way. Some say that the essence of great leadership is about influence and not authority. Ronald Reagan has capsulated it beautifully by stating that the greatest leader is not necessarily the one who does the greatest thing, but rather who makes others to do the greatest things. If you really think about it, leadership is about making a difference to others and creating an impact. It's about a goal rather than about a role. It's about action and not that position. It's about translating vision into a stunning reality. It's about not telling others what needs to be done, but rather how it needs to be done, and most importantly, why it needs to be done. It's about inclusiveness and reaching out, and not about dominance and incessant power. It's about managing that subtle balance between being strong but not rude, being kind but not weak, being humble but not timid. It's about being a chief but not a lord. It's about functioning well in crisis with utmost composure, with a dash of vulnerability and a lot of flair. In a nutshell, leadership is tough. It is challenging, yet the most satisfying experience of your life. It's really about consistently maintaining your relevance for future while delivering your present flawlessly. It is one of the most sought after, yet in short supply skill of the 21st century. It's the most invaluable assets of all times. Leadership is precious. Now you must be wondering as to why we are talking so much about leadership. Well, because we at National Feather Awards are committed to amplifying, multiplying and magnifying the voice of exemplary leaders and stellar leadership by recognizing them. This platform has been created to extol, to exalt, to laud and recognize these amazing leaders who go beyond their roles to create magic. Ladies and gentlemen, it is about recognizing people from established industry, senior leaders, business owners, entrepreneurs and ecosystem enablers who are contributing consistently to economic dynamism by spurring innovation and injecting a lot of competition. Ladies and gentlemen, if you really think about it, leadership coupled with creativity, innovation, invention is an ingenious mix. Leadership ensures that things get done. Creativity ensures that new and imaginative ideas turn into an amazing reality. Invention makes sure that there is a consistent creation of a new concept or a new idea. And it is innovation which acts as this final icing on the cake that turns a new concept into commercial success and a widespread use. Now just imagine the hard work, the grind, the toil of all those leaders who are working relentlessly behind the scenes in an unfaltering and an unwavering manner in diverse industries across a motley of contexts to build innovative product, solutions, scalable enterprises with high potential of employment generation and wealth creation, demonstrating very solid, very conspicuous, measurable social impact. The measure of their success is not only in terms of the financial gains for investors, but sizably also their contribution to the social good. We at National Feather Awards are here to recognize such leaders who are leading the way in terms of awe-inspiring endeavors, initiative, enterprising acts which are creating a very visible delta in the lives of consumers, ecosystem, and mankind as a whole. These awards recognize the best in class individuals in the industry, professionals who have made an outstanding contribution in the industry. The aim of National Feather Awards is to reward the best in class individual in the industry and somehow enhance an overall reputation. Ladies and gentlemen, as Steve Jobs once said, people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who actually do it. We are here to celebrate the crazy creative intellect of such individuals who broke the conventionally accepted norms, questioned the status quo to create a new reality and impact the lives of others very positively. To officially start and commence this memorable ceremony, let me call on our virtual stage Mr. Ankit Joshi, founder and CEO of Feather Touch Business Solution, who is actually managing the mantle, the helm of this unique enterprise. Over to you, Ankit.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, one and all, for being here with us today. We are pleased to welcome you for the National Feather Awards. Today, I feel very privileged and honored to be here in front of you all. Before we start, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to all of you who generously helped us in making this event a grand success. We couldn't have done it without you. I would like to thank and welcome our media partner, The Economic Times. National Feather Awards is hosted to recognize the individuals and organizations who have made outstanding contribution to the industry and to the society. Today, we are gathered here not just to celebrate the achievements, but also to give due regards to our values and morals, which these awards exemplify, like discipline, compassion, and zeal for learning. Awards are a way to encourage your achievements and would boost confidence to achieve your goals. I would like to use this wonderful opportunity to thank our advisory member, jury, for taking this ceremony to new heights and creating a platform for the leaders. In the end, I am extremely pleased to announce that the contribution of each and everyone present here has borne fruit. So, I thank you all for coming together and adding more grace to this ceremony. Best wishes to all. Thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy.
Thank you, Ankit, for setting the tone, the context of this platform, this confluence with so much clarity and conviction. We are very excited to get exposed to these miscellanies of highly motivated, high potential individuals, leaders who are working with a monomaniacal focus to change the world and give us exposure to their innovation and creativity. Thank you for that keynote. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to call out the name of those stakeholders, those entities who have really played a pivotal and a very critical role in enabling us to shape and realize our event today. We'd like to thank our patrons, beginning with Mr. Sudipto Ghosh, Executive Director, Service and Support, Lenovo India. Dr. Dinesh Upadhyay, Member, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. Dr. A.K. Tyagi, Executive Director, Haldiram Snacks Private Limited. And our media partner, Economic Times. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seatbelts. Behold, as we get started with announcing the winners and officially kick-starting this process, this entire saga of announcing the winners across different categories. Ladies and gentlemen, it is said that when the going gets tough, the tough gets the going. Each one of you have demonstrated ceaseless resilience, a lot of patience and boundless perseverance for making things happen despite all the difficulties, some kind of negativities around you. Thank you, National Feather Awards for Excellence and Leadership in CFO category. Let's get started. So first category is for the best CFO, excellence in consistency and liquidity management. And the winner is Mr. Anish Maheshwari, Group CFO, Navkar Corporation Limited. Alright, many congratulations, Mr. Anish. And the next category under CFO Awards is CFO of the Year, Supply Chain and Logistics Sector. And the winner is, once again, Mr. Anish Maheshwari, Group CFO, Navkar Corporation Limited. Congratulations, Mr. Maheshwari, for this stellar trailblazing performance.
I'm immensely grateful for the pride you have given me. Even my self-belief will be improved by this award and help me to attain success in my future. I would like to thanks to National Feather Awards team, National Feather Awards jury. I would like to special thanks to my family, my friends and my team. Without team, I would never reach here. Thanks once again to National Feather Award team and jury.
Alright, after CFO Awards, it's time to recognize these amazing influencers from BFSI sector. So it's time for the BFSI Awards. National Feather Awards for Excellence and Leadership in BFSI. And the first category under BFSI sector is Best Marketing Campaign for Mutual Fund. And the winner is the campaign of Apne Future Ko Reset Kar by Geo-Targeting Campaign GVIO, Nippon India Mutual Fund. Congratulations, Nippon India Mutual Fund. Alright, our second category under our header of BFSI sector is Innovation and Emerging Technologies under the realm of, again, Mutual Fund. And the winner is Wealth Connections, Jubi AI, Nippon India Mutual Fund. Once again, congratulations, Nippon India. You guys are on a savage mode today. Alright, our next category is Best Use of Social Media in the realm of mutual fund. And what do you think who the winner is? Well, it is Various by DVIO Digital for Nippon India Mutual Fund. Many congratulations, team Nippon India Mutual Fund, for that really noteworthy, captivating and fascinating campaign. I'm sure it caught the imagination of its viewers, its customers, consumers alike. And the next category is the Best Media Campaign for Banking, Financial Services and Insurances. And the winner is, let me tell you, the winner is The Future of Finance Delivered DBS by OMD Hong Kong. Many congratulations to all the winners in this category. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are done with the award category of CFO Awards and BFSI sector, and now it's time to move to the next category. So our first category is National Feather Awards for Excellence in Leadership in Automobiles, and the Outstanding Leadership Award in the realm of automobile goes to Mr. R. Srinivasan, Vice President, Pratham Motors Private Limited. Congratulations, Mr. Srinivasan.
Hi, I'm Srinivasan. A big thank you to National Feather Awards for nominating me for the Outstanding Leader Award category. I am completely honored to be a part of the nomination and so happy to be able to make a mark in my industry among the leaders. Thank you, Juvi and National Feather Awards once again.
Alright folks, I'm really excited as I announce these different winners from different contexts, different industry, with one thing common, which is their boundless passion to create, to innovate, to explore, to push the human race forward. And now the next category at National Feather Awards is for Branding and Marketing Awards, and the category is Marketing Campaign of the Year. And the award goes to Akela Hi Kafi Hai by Tata Pravesh Wonderman Thompson for Tata Steel Limited. Congratulations.
Winning the Best Marketing Campaign of the Year at National Feather Awards 2021 is indeed a great honor. I would like to thank the jury for the recognition. I would also like to congratulate my fellow nominees for their great work. I believe we all are winners today. I humbly accept this award on behalf of the entire team of Tata Pravesh. Thank you very much for the honor.
The next category under Branding and Marketing Award is the Digital Agency of the Year, and the winner is Ideate Labs. We know how difficult or how simple or at times complex it can be to really convey the crux of your brand through digital medium to a very targeted and specific group. Congratulations, Ideate Labs, for your wonderful, inspiring work. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our next category is Most Innovative Campaign for a Reward Program. And the award goes to Painting the Town Blue with the UU by PhD Hong Kong. Congratulations, team. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is for Integrated Marketing Agency of the Year. Now, this is a very coveted theme, coveted category, because it actually recognizes the entire body, the entire legacy of an organization for their path-breaking work that really pushes the complexities into simplicity and converts customer satisfaction into customer delight. And the winner for this category is PhD Hong Kong. Congratulations once again. And now, the next category is Corporate Communication Professional of the Year. Again, a very coveted one. And the winner of this category, this title is Mr. Vishwanath Ambadipudi, Corporate Communication Managers, HSIL. Congratulations, Vishwanath. We are very sure that you have managed the tact, the art, the science of conveying perspectives with a lot of brevity and crux. Congratulations once again.
It was always great to win appreciation on one, and it's even more exciting when you get that on an industry level. I'm grateful to National Feather Touch team, who is in partnership with Economic Times this year, awarded it with Corporate Communication Professional. Thank you so much.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the last award in this category, which is Marketing and Branding Awards, is the Agency Head of the Year, which again recognizes an illustrious individual who has really turned the ways of doing things in a very simplistic, effective, and impactful manner. And the winner of the category of Agency Head of the Year award goes to Rutika Daura, Director, Ideate Labs. Ladies and gentlemen, last 1 year, and for that matter this year, both the years have been unprecedented in more than one ways. And in tough times, there have been brands, there have been campaigns which have really lifted the morale, conveyed their message in a very positive manner, and it's time to recognize those brands, those efforts, that unalloyed dedication. It is to that extent that we have this category called the COVID-19 Awards. The category name is Best COVID-19 Communications and Storytelling Campaign, and the winner is Mr. Muscle Kitchen Cleaning Recipes. Mr. Muscle, PhD. Congratulations, team. And the next category under COVID-19 Awards is Valuable Technical Innovation, and this award goes to Multi TV. Congratulations, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at the National Feather Award, and right here, right now, we are going to felicitate and recognize winners for the category of CSR Awards. And the first subcategory is Best Environment Excellence Award, and the winner is Legra Group India. Ladies and gentlemen, as Jamshedji Tata used to once say, that the purpose of businesses is to not just earn profits. Businesses are actually a means to attain the outcome of serving communities, serving societies at large. And I think these organizations, through their means of CSR, do just.
We are honored to receive this award for environment excellence. Legrand Group has a long-term commitment to reduce the climate impact in all our activities. We consider it as our responsibility to reduce our carbon footprint and contribute to the energy footprint in buildings. Thanks to FeatherTouch and Economic Times for this recognition.
Our next category is Best CSR Practices in Youth Development, and the winner is Education to Livelihood by WPP India Foundation. Ladies and gentlemen, our next category is Excellence in Provision for Literacy and Education, and the winner is Education to Livelihood, WPP India Foundation. CSR Award is CSR Leadership Award, which really delineates the purpose, the focus, and the intent of the organization to serve the greater good, to serve humanity, to serve society, and go beyond making profit to create purposeful impact. And the winner is Rama Iyer, Director General, WPPP India Corporate Social Responsibility Foundation. A big congratulations to all the winners for making a difference to others with unexpected or with no gains at all. Thank you so much. Our next category is Best Use of CSR Practices in IT Industry, and the winner is Progress. Congratulations to all the winners. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our next category, which is the category in the realm of Food and Grocery Awards. The first category under this is the Best Mobile App Awards, Food and Drink, And the winner is McDonald's app revamp plus value double up campaign by McDonald's, which was executed by OMD. Congratulations, team. The next category is for best media campaign for fast food services. And the winner, once again, is McDonald's app revamp value double up campaign, McDonald's by OMD Group. And the next category under food and grocery awards, which also happens to be my favorite segment because I love food and grocery shopping. The best category is the best media campaign for beverages, and the winner is Reaching Through Connection Nescafe, again executed by the OMD Group. So congratulations team OMD for your amazing, path-breaking work and superlative performances. Congratulations. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are at this prestigious platform which is aimed at celebrating, amplifying, multiplying, and really talking about the voice of these inventive geniuses, these creatively crazy folks who are really spearheading the philosophy of inducing, leading, and executing creative and innovative solutions across multifaceted realm and industries, bringing about a very solid social impact along with financial ramifications. Welcome to National Feather Awards, where we are celebrating the leadership of amazing folks who are completely and always challenging the status quo to create something new and to really push the human race forward. And how? Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's move to the next category. What is our next category? Our next category is in the realm of healthcare awards. The first subcategory under this healthcare award is Best Hygiene Brand, and the winner is Fine Hygiene Paper FZE. Congratulations, team.
On behalf of the Fine Hygienic Holding family, we would like to thank the National Feather Awards Committee. We're so proud to receive the Hygiene Brand Award.
The next category is Best Preventive Care Brand, and the winner is We Health by Aetna.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Preeti Goyal, Medical Director at We Health by Aetna. I am extremely honored today to receive the National Feathers Award 2021 in the category of Best Preventive Care Brand. We at We Health believe that healthcare needs to change from episodic and reactive to preventive and proactive. This award will act as a boost for us to move in that direction. Thank you.
The next category is Leading Brand in Digital Health, and the winner is again We Health by Aetna. Aetna team, take a bow for your amazing effort for leading the front and really creating some amazing impact. Congratulations, team.
Hello everyone, I am Nikhil Goyal, Vice President and Head IT and Digital Projects at We Health by Aetna. I'd like to thank the esteemed jury of National Feather Awards to select our nomination in the category of Leading Brand in Digital Health. We Health by Aetna is committed to provide affordable, accessible and personalized healthcare to its members and their families through use of new age digital technology and innovation in our services and products. It's an honor to accept this award on behalf of our organization, and I'd like to thank National Feather Awards for such a prestigious award to us. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are at National Feather Awards, where we are celebrating the spirit of innovation, creativity, invention, all interspersed into one platform, which is called the National Feather Awards. And now, ladies and gentlemen, after the Healthcare Awards, it's time to move on to the next category. What is the next category? It is the Manufacturing Awards. And the category is Best in Class Manufacturing Award in the realm of glass manufacturing, and the winner is AGI Glass Pack. Congratulations, team!
The entire team of HSIL's Packaging Products Division, AGI Glasspack, which is one of the largest container glass manufacturing company in India for the world, is thankful to National Feathers Touch for appreciating our work in partnership with Economic Times. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, our next category is a very significant category. What's the most invaluable asset of any organization? It's the human asset. And who are the people who are at the forefront, at the back end, and at the side of managing this amazing repertoire of assets? It is the human resource team. And right here, right now, at this awards ceremony, we are going to recognize the efforts of human resources by way of the HR awards. So let's get started with the first category, which is Outstanding Women Excellence Award. And the winner is
Tulanahina Meti,
CVP and Head Human Resources for Bancassurance Max Life Insurance Company Limited. As the French philosopher Alfonso de Martini once said, that women are at the beginning, at the center, and at the end of all great things. I'm sure, Miss Maitri, you are completely living this quote for being at the beginning, at the middle, and at the end of all great things. Congratulations once again.
Thank you, Economic Times. Thank you, National Feather Awards, for bestowing this honor on me. I accept this humbly on behalf of all the women that I've known all throughout my professional and personal life. We are what we repeatedly do. So excellence actually is not an act, it's an habit, and hence it's not an exception. It's a prevailing attitude. And that's so true for all women who continuously manage the work life beautifully and keep breaking ceilings to be able to achieve more and more. So more power to all women all across. Thank you. Cheers.
Our next category is Outstanding Contribution to HR, and the winner is Dr. Soumya Badgayan, General Manager, Corporate Strategy, HR and IR for Gold Star Jewelry Private Limited. Congratulations, Dr. Soumya.
Thank you very much to the jury of the National Feather Awards for conferring the award for outstanding contribution to HR to me. Thank you. Stay safe, stay well.
Our next company or our next category is actually a dream company to work for, and the winner is Skipper Limited. We are sure, Skipper Limited, that you're doing a lot of great things for your human capital, for the talent, for the high potential folks at your place to deserve such a category known as the dream company to work for. I think it's a huge compliment to you guys.
Good afternoon. I am Mainak Ranjan Chaki, Head of Human Resource for Skipper Limited. I'm extremely gratified for this acknowledgement from the National Feather Awards team. Me, along with our entire team members, would sincerely like to appreciate the mentors and the members of the jury for honoring Skipper Limited for this coveted award. This award will definitely boost and motivate our team for creating the further excellence. For furthermore, Our Skipper Limited has a clear vision for creating quality world-class manufacturing product and serving the nation and create a manufacturing hub for global resourcing. Thank you, National Feather Award team, for giving us or honoring us this award. Thank you very much on behalf of the entire employees and the management of Skipper Limited. Good day.
Ladies and gentlemen, our next category is the CHRO of the Year Award, and the winner for this very coveted, this very pivotal title is Ashwini Gupta, Group Head HR, ACP India Limited. Congratulations.
It's indeed a great honor for me to receive this precious National Feathers Award. I am very much thankful to all jury members considering my nomination and honoring me for my contributions in HR management. I will keep this journey in my future work as well. Thanks once again and all success for National Feathers Award Management. Thank you very much.
Our next category is for Best Corporate Strategy Officer Award. Again, strategy officer of any organization plays a very key role and instrumental role in defining what choices the organization is going to make. And I'm so happy that this category has been integrated under the realm of HR Awards. And the winner for Best Corporate Strategy Officer Award goes to Arijit De, Director, HR and Strategy, Dialis Business Services Private Limited. Congratulations, Arijit.
Dear friends, colleagues, and compatriots, warm greetings from Dialis Business Services. I sincerely thank the honorable jury members, Feather Touch Awards, and the Economic Times to have me on this esteemed platform. I would like to put my appreciations on record for making this effort to encourage and recognize the unsung warriors of the economy, that is, each of us. I would also like to take this opportunity to render my most sincere gratitude to all the warriors of the economy present here, to congratulate each of you and wish you all the very best. May we stick together and come out of it victorious. Thank you very much. May God bless the humanity. Thanks for having me.
The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Best in Training and Organizational Development. I repeat, Best in Training and Organizational Development. And as they say, if you train your employees really well, that training, that entire rigmarole of efforts become the greatest competitive advantage and a very cutting edge intangible for an organization. And the winner of this category is Union Bank of India. Many congratulations, Union Bank of India, for spearheading the endeavor of being a leader in training and organizational development.
It is a huge honor to receive the National Feather Award in the Best Training and Organizational Development category on behalf of our organization, Union Bank of India. We are really thankful to the jury members for considering us for this award. This recognition will go a long way in sharpening our endeavors to take our learning and development initiatives to newer heights and world-class standards in the days to come. Thank you so much.
Our next category is for Best Advance in Competency Management. Now, competency management can be very complex if it is not managed well. So it's a very important, pivotal, significant part of managing the succession planning, the leadership development, the recruitment, the hiring, the promotion in any organization. And the winner for Best Advancement in Competency Management goes to, again, Union Bank of India. Congratulations, team.
Namaskar. Myself, Dr. Chetna Pandey, DGM HR, Union Bank of India, is feeling proud and delighted to state that Union Bank of India has been conferred with the Best Advance in the Competency Management Award by National Feathers Foundation. I take this opportunity on behalf of Union Bank of India to sincerely thank the jury members as well as the team of National Feathers for conferring this award and recognizing our efforts in this regard. Competency management is a major area for any service organization. We at Union Bank of India has been taking multiple initiatives in this particular area, wherein we actually try to build an employee as a strong and robust human resource for the organization. Union Bank of India has been taking multiple initiatives in this regard, and for the competency management also multiple interventions have been planned and scheduled as well as implemented.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for Hall of Fame Award. Now, this must be a leader who's really showing the way, going the way, and ensuring that he or she walks the talk and takes the entire population of employees, leaders along with him or her. And the winner in the category of Hall of Fame Award goes to Shri Raj Kiran Rai Ji, MD and CEO, Union Bank of India. Many congratulations, Shri Raj Kiran Rai Ji. I'm sure it is under your leadership, your guidance and direction that Union Bank of India has created such a path-breaking mechanism of competency development, competency mapping and training and development and organizational development. Thank you so much and congratulations once again.
Namaste. I am Vinayak Temburune, General Manager Learning and Development in HR Department of Union Bank of India. It is a memorable day event today for Union Bank of India, and especially for me. I treat as my honor to receive this award on behalf of our respected MD and CEO Shri Raj Kiran Rai sir. At the outset, I thank the juries, the organizations for this selecting Union Bank of India and our MD Shri Raj Kiran Rai ji sir for this prestigious award.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, please be on the edge of your seat as we announce the next category in the HR award, which is the CHRO of the Year. And the winner is Shri Kalyan Kumar, Chief General Manager, HR, Union Bank of India.
Namaste. Hope you all are safe and secure. It's an utmost pleasure to know that I am the recipient of the prestigious National Feathers Chief Human Resources Officer of the Year Award. At the outset, I would like to thank the jury members and team at the National Feather for conferring this award to me. Friends, Union Bank of India has always prided itself at being a people-focused organization. And when I say people, I mean all our stakeholders, most importantly our customers, whether it is the nation at large or our internal customers, the employees who are also our most valuable asset. We at Union Bank of India constantly strive to deliver the best experience to them through the most advanced technologies with the speedy adoption of strategies in place, as well as bringing in industry best practices to people, process and technology.
Ladies and gentlemen, one of the most important disruption of 2020 and 2021 has been the informational technology and the role of technology going from being a support function to the mainstream role. And right here, right now, we are going to recognize and acknowledge the role of a very important function which is called the information technology. And right here, right now, we are going to acknowledge the Informational Technology Award at the National Feather Award. Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is for an award for innovation in AI. AI is definitely disrupting the world. We interact, we work, we function. So it's a very significant category, and the trailblazing winner that's really causing disruption in this category is Globus 8 India Private Limited.
Alok Sinha. I am the CEO for Globus 8. What an amazing journey this has been. I'm so delighted, so happy to receive this award for innovation in the field of AI. When we started LifeOn, which is the patented product now, we didn't realize it will come so far. We realized we were happy that it would probably be able to give us, our customers, a way to solve their problems. But then thereafter, the intellectual property in terms of patent, and now the industry recognition. This is an area, this is a time which makes us both proud as well as humbled. Proud because it's a culmination of a very, very long and hard work, and humbled because the industry has put us now more responsibility on our shoulders to make sure that our customers continue to get a higher quality, a higher service level based on this. So thank you, Mr. Ankit. Thank you, Feather Awards, in conjunction with Economic Times, for taking time and recognizing us. This is once again a fantastic place to be. Thank you all.
The next category under Information Technology Award is Entrepreneur of the Year, and the award goes to Anna Reddy Venkat Siva Reddy, Chief Executive Officer, G&D Solutions India Private Limited. Congratulations, Mr. Siva Reddy. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the next category under the realm of Information Technology Award is the Award for Innovation in Cybersecurity. I think cybersecurity has played a very important role in giving conviction to organizations worldwide to very seamlessly work from home without the threat of any data going missing or awry. So the Award for Innovation in Cybersecurity goes to
Islantis Technology.
Congratulations, team. And the last category under Information Technology Award is Best Cybersecurity Solution of the Year, which is once again backed by
Islantis Technology.
Congratulations to all the winners once again for paving the way of some amazing endeavors in the realm of information technology and cybersecurity. Congratulations once again, and thank you for all your unfaltering efforts.
I would like to express my sincere thanks to the Economic Times National Feather Awards team for honoring Islantis with 2 awards this year. The first one for the Best Cybersecurity Solution of the Year award for our product Compact Identity, and the second one for the Innovation in Cybersecurity categories. I would like to congratulate the entire team of Islantis for receiving this prestigious award, and especially my product engineering team for their continuous focus on innovation and excellence throughout the journey. This award is a reinforcement of our vision for identity and access management and positions Compact Identity as the best and innovative product in the converged IAM space, which is the future of identity and access management. We are truly grateful to have been recognized for our effort and will continue to focus to provide innovative and world-class solutions to our customers globally.
Alright folks, we are at National Feather Awards celebrating a camaraderie and a unison of creativity, innovation, invention, and really having the courage, the risk-taking to take calculated chances to bring solid impact on ground. Our next category is the Market Research Awards. market research awards and market research as a realm has become relevant more than ever, because in the new world, the habits, the preferences of consumers are ever changing, and the slowest route of change is today. So you can imagine how it evolves at a meteoric speed. And the first category under the realm of Market Research Award is Business to Business Research Award, and the winner is New Age Tech Science Research Private Limited. Congratulations, team.
Hello everyone, I'm Karan Chechi from TechSci Research. It's an honor for me to receive this award in the Business to Business Research category for TechSci Research. Most importantly, I would like to thank my teammates and colleagues who have made it possible. Thank you so much for this honor. Thank you.
The next category is Best Promising New Product, which goes to Chem Analyst. Congratulations to all the winners.
My name is Karan Chechi from Chem Analyst. It's an honor for me to receive this award in the most promising new product technology category for Chem Analyst. I would like to thank each and every one in my team who have made it possible. Thank you once again. Thank you so much.
Our next category is the PSU Awards. And under this, we have one eminent and imminent category, which is CEO of the Year. And this award goes to Shri B. Singh, Chairman and Managing Director, IREL India Limited. Congratulations, Mr. Singh. We are sure under your leadership, the company has grown by leaps and bounds and made many inroads into strategic initiatives. Congratulations, Mr. Singh.
Indeed, it is a great privilege for me being a recipient of National Feather Award, and I would like to express my gratitude to the organizers for considering me fit for this award. Thank you very much.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to lead a segue into our next category, which is the category of Real Estate Awards. We are at National Feathers Awards, where we are celebrating creativity, innovation, invention, imagination, taking chances, taking risks, but creating bold business impact. Now, ladies and gentlemen, in the Real Estate Award category, the first category is the most admired upcoming project of the year, and the winner is Empire Industries Limited by Empire Industrial Centrum. Congratulations, Team Empire. The next category is the Integrated Township of the Year award, and the winner is, once again, Empire Industries Limited, which is Empire Industrial Centrum. Congratulations, team.
I would like to thank jury of National Feathers Award for honoring Empire Industrial Centrum in two categories: the most admired upcoming project of the year, Integrated Township of the year. Thank you once again. Stay blessed. Stay blessed.
The next category is Best Project Launch of the Year, and the winner is Entalia by Paradigm Realty. Congratulations, Paradigm Realty.
We thank Economic Times for felicitating with us on our flagship project Paradigm Entalia with this prestigious award. Yes, this project has been our pet project, being a 10-acre layout that we are getting to develop in the heart of Mumbai, that's Oshiwara and Deri area. And as a team, we are very, very happy the kind of response we've got for this project. We try to bring in affordable luxury to the heart of Mumbai suburbs, with pocket-friendly pricing and a lifestyle with unparalleled and unmatched. So we really thank Economic Times as for awarding this prestigious recognition to us. Yes, this project has been our flagship for many reasons. Right price, right size, right layout, right connectivity, right audiences who could get homes where they could move from extended suburbs into heart of Mumbai, that's in and around Andheri, because of the affordable pricing that we give. Yet giving affordable pricing, we are able to match the quality and the lifestyle which only the high-end apartments get. So we really appreciate Economic Times for recognizing our hard work, intent and our team's effort, and thank you very much.
Our next category is Luxury Project of the Year, and the winner is 27th Summit by MAIA Estates LLP. Our next category is Emerging Developer of the Year Award, and the winner is once again MAIA Estates LLP. And the next category is Developer of the Year, which is again a very eminent, noteworthy and promising and superlative category under Real Estate Awards, and the winner is Paradigm Realty. Congratulations, team.
Thank you Economic Times for awarding us with such a prestigious award as a Developer of the Year. It's indeed a very proud feeling for Paradigm Realty in a stint of over 5.5 years, delivering about 1,400 plus apartments, and in process to deliver another 1,000-1,500 apartments during this financial year and the next year. As a young growing organization, all we can say is that we've chosen the right path to at least remain truthful to whatever we do, as well as have our integrity and reputation as the principal premise before giving importance to profitability. So I think it gives us a lot of encouragement as a group to stand by what we commit to deliver to our customers. This industry is full of roadblocks, as well as we are going through unprecedented times as an entire business environment. But I feel if we are committed to what we want to do, I think there will be speed breakers, and we would be in a place to deliver only when the intent is in place. So I think we've been very happy to get this award, and we wish all the other nominees also all the very best, and we just pray Almighty that we keep doing good work and keep going ahead. Thank you so much.
The next category is Innovative Real Estate Marketing Campaign of the Year, and the winner is Vanaha by Shapurji Palanji Real Estate. Congratulations, team.
Hi guys, I'm Parikshit Pawar, the head of marketing for Shapurji Palanji Real Estate. On behalf of my team, I would like to thank the entire ET team for recognizing us for our good work. Vanaha has been awarded as the most innovative campaigns of the year by your team. It was certainly one of the most challenging briefs that we handled as a team, and I'm glad that we could do full justice. In a span of 2 weeks, we were able to sell over 600 odd units. However, for those of you who have missed the bus in phase 1, phase 2 is soon coming. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.
And the next category is Employer of the Year, and the winner is once again Paradigm Realty, who are in complete savage mode. Congratulations, team.
Thank you very much Economic Times for felicitating us with this prestigious award. It's a very dear award, Employer of the Year. We've been grateful and blessed that as an organization we can take care of so many people, all look at giving livelihood during such unprecedented times to so many people. It's a very proud feeling, as well as the feeling of a lot of responsibility. Today we are a team of about 220 people. Year on year we've grown almost 30-40% in terms of staff strength as well. So I think for any organization, it's the good wishes of their employees who are giving them their heart and soul, which is the backbone of any company that does well. So as a growing organization, we've been very, very happy that such young talented people have joined our organization. We are a team strength with an average mean age of not more than 35 to 37. Hence I think it's a very proud feeling that we are felicitated with such an award, and we just wish that people who ever work with us are motivated and they're given their best shot, and as an organization God blesses us to keep doing good work that we can take care of our people and grow with them. Thank you very much.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are at National Feather Award, and the next category that we are going to recognize and actively felicitate is for the category of Best Marketing Campaign of the Year for the Aspirational Housing category. The project name that wins it is Joyville Hadasarpur Annexi, and the name of the organization is Joyville Shapurji Housing Private Limited.
Hi guys, I'm back, and this time is for a project Joyville Hadasarpur Annex. Team ET, thank you so much for recognizing our campaign and awarding it as the best marketing campaign of the year. Chot Lagne Do campaign is very close to my heart and one of the best campaigns I have worked on. All good campaigns are based on very strong insights, and this campaign is a prime example of that. Thank you Team ET for recognizing this.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's move into the next category at the National Feather Awards. The next category is the Retail Awards. And the subcategory is Best Branding Campaign, and the winner is for the campaign called Painting the Town Blue with You by PhD Group. Congratulations, team. Alright folks, the next category is the Shopping Mall Awards. And our first category is Most Admired Shopping Mall of the Year. And the winner is Seasons Mall, which is always relevant for all seasons. No matter how much the virtual or the digital shopping comes into existence, nothing can take away the entire experience of going to a shopping mall with your family, experiencing the different shops, the amazing food court, and having that one beautiful day, that one evening, one afternoon with your loved ones. So I don't think so virtual world will anytime soon take away the experience of a shopping mall. So congratulations, Seasons Mall. Next category is Best Shopping Mall Decor Company of the Year, and the award goes to Diwali Decor Royal Gazebo by Phoenix Market City Mall, Bangalore. Congratulations, Phoenix Market City. We are at the National Feather Awards, celebrating the genius of all those seniors, not so senior, those amazing leaders who have really done something creative, something different, something out of the league by connecting the dots and delivering in genuity. Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, celebrates a very important realm, celebrates a very important function, which is the role of social media and digital marketing. So our next category is called Social Media and Digital Marketing. And our first winner under this category, or rather our first category under this category, is called the Best Educational Website. And the winner is Del Aram, and it goes to Del India. Our next category under the social media and digital marketing realm is Best Social Media Marketing Campaign. And let me tell you, with the advent of remote working, virtual connection, social media marketing has grown by leaps and bounds. And while it has grown, there has also been a lot of noise, a lot of competitors. So if you have got your message across by social media, by digital marketing, it means that you're doing something differently, and it becomes all the more important to acknowledge your efforts. So the Best Social Media Marketing Campaign goes to XPS Launch 2020 by Del India. Congratulations, Del India. Our next category is Media Agency of the Year, which is a huge compliment in the form of its category title itself. And this award goes to Omnicom Media Group. Many congratulations, Omnicom Media Group, for being so persistent and relentless with your efforts of driving some ingenious campaigns. Next category is Digital Agency of the Year, and the winner, hands down, is Omnicom Media Group. Congratulations. Our next category is Best Social Influencer Campaign, and the winner is Dwen 2020 by Del India. Del India always comes up with campaigns, with stories, with narratives which touch the head and the heart both, and somehow stokes this compelling need in the user as to why their services, the entire value add that they give, is so necessary. So hats off, Del India. Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is the Digital Startup of the Year, and the award goes to Virtual Fashion Show by Hunar Online Courses. I know in the digital age and time, there have been mushrooming digital startups, and amidst that growing realm, if you have made your presence felt, it's kind of a big deal. So congratulations, Hunar Online Courses. Next category is Young Digital Entrepreneur of the Year. Talking about entrepreneurs, they are driven by themselves. They have to manage a lot of rejections and yet turn these rejections into red carpets for their next big endeavor. Keep their resilience going, and in this digital agent time, it's very important to recognize the digital entrepreneurs who are creating some solid results on ground. So who is this Young Digital Entrepreneur of the Year? Well, the award goes to Nishtha Yogesh, Chief Executive Officer of Hunar Online Courses. Congratulations, Nishtha. Our next category is Best Digital Integrated Campaign, and the winner is Futurist Gaming 2020, led by Del India. Del India, take a bow. The next category is Best Viral Marketing Campaign, and the winner is Use of Topical 2019 by Dell India. Congratulations to all the winners and congratulations to Dell who keep their promise of proliferating, sending their message to masses on large and at a scale by coming up with campaigns which touch head and heart and leave a very positive residual impact. Thank you and many, many congratulations. National Feather Awards for Excellence and Leadership in Women Leadership. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our next category, which like many of the other categories happens to be my favorite categories. Okay, I won't be biased. It's one of the most compelling categories, I think, according to me. And this category is for Woman Personality Icon of the Year. And the winner is Dr. Ananta Singh Raghuvanshi, Senior Executive Director, Experion Developers. Congratulations, Dr. Ananta. We are very sure you are leading the way, paving the way with your leadership, with your stunning vision of the future. And as Oprah Winfrey once said, the future is so bright that at times it burns my eyes. Congratulations, Dr. Ananta.
Namaskar. I'm grateful to Economic Times and National Feather Awards for felicitating me with this wonderful award, Women Icon of the Year. Thank you for recognizing my efforts over the last 3 decades in the real estate industry. Grateful to the jury and to the industry members. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, our next category is National Award for Excellence in Solar Energy. Next category, ladies and gentlemen, is New Energy Champion of the Year. And taking away this prize possession, this award is Amarnath Anand, Managing Director of Obelisk Power Private Limited.
Hi to everyone. Thanks to National Feather Award for giving me such a good opportunity and recognizing me on such a big platform. And I am especially giving thanks to my team who supports me to achieve this big award in my life or good platform, which is basically new for me. I am very new in this field. My bigger players are there, but I have been recognized on this platform. It's a great opportunity to me. Thanks to Feather Touch and their team for recognizing me. Thanks to all.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is said that success is a journey, not a destination. That the doing is more important than the outcome itself. Also the fact that success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. So a big thank you to all our winners who consistently kept the flame of setting new milestones, creating new benchmarks, solving wicked problems consistently, challenging the status quo, to consistently paving way for future. Thank you for your hard work. Thank you for keeping your faith. On this note, this is your host Ridhimavali signing off.